Finding the right door installation service in Jennings can make a big difference in the look, security, and energy efficiency of your home. Whether you're replacing an old door or starting from scratch on a new build, it's important to work with a company that understands your needs and delivers quality work. Here are some tips to help you choose the best door installation service in Jennings. Start with experience. One of the first things to look for is experience. A company that's been installing doors for years will likely have dealt with a wide variety of homes, door styles, and installation challenges. Experienced installers are better equipped to handle unexpected issues and can offer suggestions based on what's worked for others in the area. When you're researching companies, don't just look at how long they've been in business. Ask about the specific experience their installers have. Door installation isn't just about hanging a slab. It's about making sure it fits properly, seals correctly, and adds value to your home. Check for licensing and insurance before hiring any service in Jennings. Always ask if the company is licensed and insured. A licensed contractor means they meet the local requirements to perform the work. Insurance protects you from being held responsible if something goes wrong during the installation. This is especially important when the job requires removing old doors or making structural changes. Without proper insurance, you could be left covering damages or injuries out of pocket. Look at reviews and references. Online reviews can give you a good idea of how a company treats its customers. Pay attention to what people say about their communication, punctuality, cleanliness, and overall satisfaction. Don't just rely on star ratings, read the actual comments. It's also okay to ask the company for references. A reputable installer should have no problem giving you the names of past customers in Jennings who are happy with their work. Ask about product options. The best door installation services offer more than just labor. They help you choose the right door, too. Whether you need a solid wood front door, a sliding patio door, or a steel security door, your installer should guide you through the options based on your home's style, your budget, and the local climate. Some companies work with specific manufacturers or offer custom-made doors. Others install doors that customers purchase elsewhere. Be clear about what you want, and make sure the installer is comfortable working with that type of door. Get a detailed estimate before work begins. You should receive a written estimate that outlines everything: the cost of the door, labor, hardware, and any extras like disposal of the old door or repairs to the frame. A detailed quote helps prevent misunderstandings and gives you something to compare if you're getting multiple estimates. Watch out for vague pricing or pressure to commit on the spot. A good company will give you time to review the estimate and ask questions. Consider customer service. Door installation isn't just about tools and materials, it's also about communication and trust. Choose a company that returns your calls, shows up on time, and answers your questions clearly. These small things can make a big difference when the work begins. If a company is disorganized or dismissive before the project starts, that's often a sign of how they'll handle the job. Final thoughts. Choosing the best door installation service in Jennings comes down to doing a little homework and trusting your instincts. Look for experienced professionals who are licensed, well-reviewed, and willing to answer your questions. The right team will not only install your door correctly but also give you peace of mind long after the job is done.